The most precious gift you can give yourself is your time to rest. Most of us don't even realize how much we are struggling until it is too late and we feel the pain in our body and mind. When you hear the word meditation, what comes into your mind? Do you see images of monks sitting in a monastery? Or people in yoga pants holding hands in a circle? However you imagine it, meditation is for you. This is a practice that anyone can do, and it's so beneficial for everyone. You deserve to unlock this powerful tool and discover how to transform your life through mindfulness meditation. Today, I am going to share with you a method that will help you get a quality sleep every single night. You're not going to believe how simple it is. But please make sure you watch the whole video because each step is very important. So let's dive right in. In our busy lives, it's easy to push ourselves too hard. We go from one task to another without taking the time to relax and recharge. This can leave us feeling stressed out and exhausted. That's why it's important to make time for self-care, especially getting enough rest. But we know that it's easier said than done. Many people struggle to get a good night's sleep, tossing and turning for hours on end. But what if there was a way to improve your sleep quality simply by taking a few minutes each day to meditate? It may sound too good to be true, but it's actually a well-documented fact. Meditation has been shown to have a positive impact on sleep, reducing the time it takes to fall asleep and increasing the amount of restful sleep you get each night. What is rest? When we talk about rest, we mean more than just the physical act of lying down and closing your eyes. True rest involves relaxing both your body and mind. Our minds are constantly active, even when we are engaged in physical tasks. We are always thinking about something, whether it is what we are going to cook for dinner or a project at work. All these thoughts occupy our mind space, and if we try to ignore them, they become intrusive and distracting. These thoughts can cause unnecessary stress and anxiety, making it difficult to relax and fall asleep. When you practice rest, you learn to observe your thoughts without judgment. You allow them to come and go, like clouds passing overhead. You don't try to push them away or engage with them. Instead, you focus on your breath and let your body sink into a state of relaxation. With regular practice, you will find it easier to quiet your mind and drift off to sleep. How does mindfulness meditation improve sleep? According to research, mindfulness meditation is one of the best methods to achieve deep, restorative sleep. There are many different ways to meditate, but all of them involve training your mind to focus on the present moment without judgment. This can be challenging at first, but with practice, you can learn to quiet your mind and enter into a state of deep relaxation. One of the main benefits of mindfulness meditation is that it helps you to observe your thoughts without judgment. When you are in a state of mindfulness, you are fully present in the moment. You are aware of your thoughts, but you don't identify with them or believe that they are true. This can be a powerful tool for those who struggle with insomnia or other sleep disorders. Mindfulness meditation also teaches you to focus on your breath. This can help you to calm your body and relax your muscles. As you're focused on your breath, you allow your body to enter into a state of deep relaxation. This can make it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Now let me show you how to use mindfulness meditation to improve your sleep. First, you need to set a time to meditate. Choose a time that works for you and stick to it. It's important to make meditation a part of your daily routine. Start with 5 minutes and then increase the time as you become more comfortable with meditation. Next, find a quiet place to meditate. You don't need to go to a special place to meditate. You can meditate anywhere. Just find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. You may want to light a candle or burn some incense to help you relax. Once you have found a quiet place, it's time to get comfortable. You can sit in a chair or lie down. Just make sure that you are comfortable. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your body. As you focus on your breath, you may start to notice other sensations in your body. You may feel the weight of your body on the surface beneath you. You may feel the temperature of the room on your skin. You may hear sounds around you. Simply acknowledge these sensations without judgment and then return your focus to your breath. You may start to feel thoughts entering your mind. It's normal to have thoughts during meditation. Just acknowledge the thoughts and let them be. Don't try to push them away or engage with them. Simply let them pass like clouds in the sky. If you find yourself drifting off to sleep, that's fine. Allow yourself to fall asleep. If you wake up during meditation, simply close your eyes again and return your focus to your breath. To begin, you want to find a comfortable position. This could mean sitting in a chair with your feet flat on the floor or lying down on your back. The key is to find a position that allows your body to relax completely. Once you've found a comfortable position, close your eyes and turn your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your body. Allow your breath to flow naturally without trying to control it in any way. As you continue to focus on your breath, you may start to notice other sensations in your body. You may feel the weight of your body on the surface beneath you, or you may feel the temperature of the room on your skin. You may hear sounds around you. Simply acknowledge these sensations without judgment and then return your focus to your breath. It's normal to have thoughts during meditation. Simply acknowledge the thoughts and let them go. Don't try to push them away or engage with them. Simply let them pass like clouds in the sky. If you find yourself drifting off to sleep, that's fine. Allow yourself to fall asleep. If you wake up during meditation, simply close your eyes again and return your focus to your breath. After a few minutes of practicing this, you'll likely start to feel calmer and more relaxed. This is when the real benefits of meditation begin. Meditation can help you reduce stress and anxiety, improve your focus and concentration, and increase your feelings of well-being. In addition to these general benefits, meditation can also help you improve your sleep quality. When you practice mindfulness meditation regularly, you train your mind to be present in the moment. This can help you stop worrying about the future or ruminating about the past to common causes of insomnia. In addition, meditation can help you relax your body and calm your mind before bedtime, making it easier to fall asleep. Finally, mindfulness meditation can help you develop a more positive mindset. When you wake up in the morning, you'll be able to approach your day with more energy and enthusiasm. This can help you make better decisions about how you spend your time and how you take care of yourself. So, if you're struggling to sleep at night, consider giving mindfulness meditation a try. It's a simple but powerful tool that can help you improve your sleep quality and overall well-being. So, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you got some valuable tips that you can apply to your own life. If you did, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you have any questions or if there is anything else you'd like to see from me in the future, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.